need to get AI literate. What does that mean? If you look at literacy one a couple of hundred years ago is when people learned how to read and write, right? So what happened is that the power elites can read. The power elites can read and write. The average person back then couldn't read and write. If you have an elite that can read and write and an average person that cannot, what happens? You have a power gap. And that power gap makes the elites get richer and more powerful. After a while, everybody could read. Then came literacy 2. Literacy 2 is obviously the computer age. Active tech adapters use computers, and the passive tech observers wait and see. There was a power gap, and those people became richer and more powerful. And currently, we have the exact same thing, and that is literacy 3. Literacy 3 is more or less very simple. It is artificial intelligence. And the power gap is happening now. The power gap is now because certain people embrace artificial intelligence and others don't. And if you embrace it, you will get richer and more powerful. So what is AI literacy? Number one, it is very easy. You have to understand what AI can do. Literacy 1, writing and books inform and entertain. That's what it does. It is not specific to you. A book is written for everybody. AI also informs and entertains, but it's hyper-specific to you. It is exactly what you want to know. So you have to also understand what AI cannot do. If you look at literacy 1, writing and books cannot solve every problem. And the same is true for AI. AI cannot solve every single problem. But being able to read about the problem is definitely an advantage. Being able to understand the problem is definitely an advantage. Don't think that AI does it. AI is just the information that gives you power to ride the shark. You have to hulk it up, but at least you need to know what to do. And 3, you have to understand how you can use AI for your individual success. In literacy, I can, for instance, print info material and do PR. That might be interesting to you. With AI, you can analyze, optimize, supervise, and correlate. You can find causal relations, design, predict, and create. You can classify, identify, detect, simulate. And you can also extract, rank, monitor, track, infer, segment, cluster, diagnose, translate, synthesize, recommend, all those kinds of things. You can do a lot of things with AI, and you have to learn them. You have to learn them. You have to understand what you can do with AI. And after you learn it, you have to hulk it and do it. Don't overthink. Try it out. Act on the information you have. You need to do that, and you need to do that now. And once you've learned it and acted on it, you need to integrate it into your life. Integration is key. Reading is an integrated part of your life. If you don't know what something says, you definitely go there and read it. You automatically read the words if you want or not. So it's an integrated part of your life, and AI has to become an integrated part of your life as well. Don't think of AI as artificial. In my point of view, it is not artificial intelligence. I think of AI as augmented intelligence. AI ups my level of understanding, and it ups my level of intelligence.